Now, chances are that when you complete that single chunk of time, which could be 25 minutes for example, you haven't totally finished that topic or concept. Now that's actually a good thing, because now the Zeigarnik effect will come into play, which states that the human brain tends to remember incomplete and unfinished tasks much better than it does completed tasks. So while you take that 5-minute break, your brain is going to process that unfinished task or concept, and when you get back to it in the second lot of 25 minutes, you're going to have much more clarity. Smart study technique number 2 is called 20% read, 80% recite. Now sometimes I find that we read the entire day. We go from one subject to the next, but we are either reading from a book or from a laptop. And the brain gets so bone tired that it totally stops paying attention. Now how about